Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to use index and match function. So here we have a table. In this we have employee ID. So as per the employee ID, we have to populate employee name, email ID and location. And we have employee table database. Okay. So here in the table, we have employee ID column on the right side. So we cannot use VLOOKUP formula here. So we will be using index with match function. So first we will select all these cells. We'll write here the formula is equal to index array. So we have to select the complete range and we will press F4 to freeze this range, comma. Now raw number. Here we will be using match function. It is asking for lookup value. So lookup value would be employee ID. But we need to freeze this column. So to freeze this column, we have to press F4 3 times, comma, lookup array. So employee ID, we have it to the last column. So we'll select this complete range and we will press F4 to freeze the range, comma. We need to check for exact match. So we'll press 0, close the bracket. Now column number. Again, we will use match function. So we have to look up for the columns. Now lookup value would be here employee name. Here we will freeze the raw number by pressing F4 2 times, comma, lookup array. So lookup array would be table header and we will freeze by pressing F4, comma. Here also we will look for exact match. So we'll put 0. Close the bracket. Again, close the bracket for index. Now here you don't have to press enter. Here we will be using control plus enter. So it will populate all the data that you have selected in just one click. If this video is informative, so you can like the video, you can share, and you can subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting tips and tricks of Excel. Thank you.